fidget 360. All right,
Yeah, came in the mail. So these things are pretty fun to use, and like they're pretty fun to do, and all that stuff. Like the fidget cube, you got the three of them. They press the middle three. If you can go like this way. Oh, you got the three. They can they press together, and then you got this. These two are just silent. Then you got this round thing. It's kind of like an Xbox thing. Then you got this round thing.
Then you got this.
Like an Xbox thing. Almost like that.
Here's a fidget 360.
Yeah. Then you got this other round.
Or the
thing.
fidget spinner.
Kind of like a pad to play with. And you got this other round thing, kind of like a pad to play with and stuff. And then you got this. Kind of like flipping the switch.
This is.
Then you got this. It's kind of like flipping switch. Then you have this ball. Like you roll around ball with like these like things that are like kind of like chains that go up. Then you got this ball. It's sort of like a ball like you play with, and then you got these chains that kind of like go up.
This just spins.
And then you have a thumb thing, like to put your thumb in, just like a fingerprint thing,
I got the white.
as you can
Buy
see.
it on Amazon for like $9.
And then I got this one. It's like a pad thing. It's like a thumbprint. They give rub your thumb in there and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much all that this is.
That's pretty much all that this is.
That's pretty much all that this is. That's pretty much all.